Try with a turn signal next time, stupid. Exit regret. That's right, somebody's here. Stop. Stop sign means, dude. Stop sign. He didn't stop. He didn't stop. He didn't stop. He didn't stop. Ah! That's a Toyota swing in spite of the fact that it was a Nissan. You don't have to swing for that either. I mean, I understand the swing if you're driving a car that's ancient without power steering, but, you know, when was the last time you could buy one of those? Yeah. Cut off. Exit dive. Jesus. He does Toyota. Thank you. Because Toyota. You're in the red. Roll the stop. Stella Artois.
On 495 on the southbound side after the Ward Hill connector, that is hung up due to a right lane breakthrough. On the northbound side, that looks okay.
What the hell are you doing?
93 and Route 1, they're both okay. It is currently 49
What's that
degrees in
for?
Boston.
No one's hiking today, huh? Stop sign Subaru, stop sign Silverado. Get off my butt, Subaru. This turd. One in, one out. Don't do it, Cameroid. Don't do it. Douche. Toyotas everywhere. Oh boy. A little fast there, dude. This traffic, this weather. Yeah, yeah, Oh, God. That was a red. That was a red. They ran the red. Reds were run. Slow down. What the fuck, dude? What the bloody fuck are you doing? boy. Yep. Ram hole, as it were. Didn't quite come out right. Ah, nice. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh, by the way, you didn't stop. Don't you know that this is a stop sign and you have to stop whether you want to or not? I think you should know. Whoa, that was a nice. Hey, nice. And here we go. You're an asshole. I wonder who. Yeah, hello. I don't think you were supposed to be over there in the first place. Dummy. A little faster. What are you doing? The heart of the vegetable. Were you letting me go? If you were letting me go, flash your friggin' headlights. Don't. Were you sitting in there waving? I couldn't see you. A little dark out, you know? Don't even think of it, dude. Bye-bye. Maserati turd. The fuck? What the fuck? What is your friggin' problem, asshole? Jesus Christ. I don't know what your problem is, but don't take it out on me, mofo. Love those high beams, huh? I'm stopping. I don't give a fuck what you want, dude, you know? Stop sign. What is your fucking problem, dude? shitbag.